Hello, welcome to the channel. If you want to learn how to lose weight in a healthy way and without sacrifices, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to put together a healthy and simple diet that will help you achieve your weight loss goals quickly. Before we go to the video, subscribe to this channel, because every week we bring various tips for you who want to lose weight and have a healthier life. That's why it's important that you are subscribed so you don't miss out a single tip. Now let's go to today's pro video.
Are you tired of fad diets that don't work? Do you want to lose weight quickly and safely without going hungry? Our ebook Healthy Weight Loss: How to Lose Weight Quickly and Safely is the solution you're looking for. Written by a nutrition expert with over 20 years of experience, this guide will teach you proven strategies to burn fat, boost your metabolism, and keep your weight off for good. Imagine losing those extra pounds while enjoying balanced meals and simple, effective exercises. Don't wait. Thousands of people have already transformed their lives with these practical and safe tips, and now it's your turn. For a limited time, get access to the complete guide and start seeing results in just a few weeks. This is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that works. Act now before this offer ends. Your journey to being healthier and slimmer starts today. Buy now and take the first step towards sustainable weight loss. Healthy weight loss, quick results and long-term success are just a click away. Link in description and pinned comment.
Healthy meal planning: tips for organizing a balanced diet. Healthy meal planning is one of the best ways to maintain a balanced diet, save time and avoid unhealthy food choices. When you organize your diet strategically, it is easier to follow a routine that prioritizes foods rich in nutrients and that promote health. In this article, we'll explore how to plan healthy meals, their benefits, and practical tips to ensure your meals are nutritious and tasty. 1. Why is it important to plan healthy meals? Meal planning helps ensure a balanced diet, promoting the consumption of essential nutrients throughout the day. Additionally, he avoids the temptation to eat processed foods or fast food due to the lack of quick and healthy options. Some of the key benefits include: time saving: having a clear plan of what to eat avoids last-minute improvisations. Budget control: when planning, you can buy only what you need, avoiding waste. Better nutritional control: planning healthy meals ensures you are eating foods rich in protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals. 2. How to plan healthy meals. Here are some simple tips to get you started planning your meals efficiently. Set your nutritional goals. Before you start planning, it's important to understand what your nutritional goals are. Whether your focus is losing weight, gaining muscle mass or just maintaining a healthy diet, this will influence the type of meals you should include. Weight loss: choose meals with low calorie density and rich in fiber. Gain muscle mass: prioritize meals rich in lean proteins and low glycemic carbohydrates. Health maintenance: aim for a balanced diet with a good mix of proteins, healthy fats and complex carbohydrates. Choose nutritious and varied foods. Good healthy meal planning includes a wide variety of nutritious foods. This ensures that you receive all the nutrients your body needs, avoiding monotony in your diet. Here are the main food groups to consider. Proteins: fish, chicken, eggs, lean meats, legumes, beans, lentils, tofu. Complex carbohydrates: brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, oats, whole grain pasta. Healthy fats: avocado, olive oil, walnuts, chia seeds and flaxseed. Vegetables and fruits: vary colors and types, including leafy greens, vegetables and fresh fruits. Make a weekly menu. Creating a weekly menu helps organize your meals and makes shopping easier. Plan all your meals for the day: breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks, and make a shopping list based on that. By having everything organized, you save time and avoid eating unhealthy foods. Tip: prepare meals in large portions and freeze them to make them easier throughout the week. Control portions. Even if your focus is health, it's important to control your portions to ensure you're not eating too much or too little. Use kitchen scales or measuring cups to keep carbohydrate, protein, and fat portions balanced. Suggestion: a balanced dish should contain 50% vegetables, 25% proteins and 25% complex carbohydrates. Vary the recipes. Variety is key to ensuring you maintain interest and motivation with meal planning. Try exploring different recipes and preparation methods, such as grilling, roasting, and steaming. This keeps meals interesting and full of flavor. 3. Practical tips to make meal planning easier. Here are some extra tips to make healthy meal planning more efficient and practical. Set aside a day to plan. Choose a day of the week, like Sunday, to plan your meals, prepare food and organize it into portions. Use planning apps. There are apps that help you create shopping lists, control portions, and store healthy recipes. Prepare healthy snacks. Avoid industrialized snacks by preparing homemade options, such as nuts, fruits, and natural yogurt. Freeze ready-made meals. Cooking large portions and freezing helps you always have healthy options ready for busy days. 4. Exemplo de planejamento de refeição saudável para a semana. Aqui está exemplo simples de planejamento semanal de refeições. Segunda-feira. Café da manhã. Havia com frutas e sementes de chia. Almoço. Salada de folhas verdes, frango grelhado e quinoa. Jantar. Sopa de legumes e pão integral. Terça-feira. Café da manhã. Omelette espinafre com tomate. Almoço. Salmão assado com batata doce e brócolis. Jantar. Tofu grelhado com arroz integral e abobrinha. The main benefits of healthy meal planning include 1. Time saving. By planning your meals in advance, you save time on a daily basis. This avoids improvisations and last-minute decisions, making the routine easier and making food choices more practical. 2. Food control. Meal planning helps you maintain a balanced diet by ensuring that every meal includes essential nutrients such as protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, and fiber. This avoids excessive consumption of processed foods rich in empty calories. 3. Improvement in nutritional quality. With planning, you have the opportunity to include a wide variety of healthy foods, such as vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins. This results in better nutrition and provides all the nutrients the body needs. 4. Financial economy. Planning your meals allows you to shop more efficiently, focusing only on the ingredients that will be used. This reduces food waste and contributes to better control of the family budget. 5. Portion control. When you plan your meals, it's easier to control portion sizes, which helps you avoid consuming too many calories. This is especially useful for those trying to lose weight or maintain a balanced diet. 6. Lower stress. Knowing exactly what you're going to eat during the week reduces the stress of making food decisions. With everything planned out, there's less pressure to find quick, healthy meals. 7. Greater consistency in health goals. By having an eating plan, it becomes easier to stay focused on your health goals, whether it's weight loss, muscle mass gain, or simply having a more balanced life. Planning helps ensure you are always consuming foods that support your goals. 8. Reduce processed foods. Planning healthy meals encourages the reduction of processed and industrialized foods, as you will have fresh meals prepared at home, with fewer additives and preservatives that are harmful to your health. These advantages make healthy meal planning a powerful tool for improving quality of life and achieving dietary goals in an organized and efficient way. Conclusion: how healthy meal planning can transform your diet. Planning healthy meals not only makes it easier to organize your diet, it also ensures that your meals are balanced, rich in nutrients, and tasty. With good planning, you save time, money, and make more conscious choices that directly reflect on your health and well-being. Did you like these healthy meal planning tips? Then subscribe to our channel for more content that will transform your diet and health. Don't forget to like and share with friends and family who also want a healthier and healthier life. Organized. Subscribe, like, and share.